going to demonstrate something else. What we've got here, we got 3 targets. We have a gallon jug full of colored water, and then we have a Gatorade bottle full of colored water, and we have another water bottle in the middle. Now, a lot of people have asked me, when shooting shotguns, recoil-wise, what is worse? A slug, a buckshot, a bird shot for you guys that don't shoot often? So, we decided we'd do a video to show you the difference. The first shot is going to be 2 3/4 inch bird shot. The second shot is going to be double-aught buck, 2 3/4 inch shell. The third shot is a 2 3/4 inch 1 ounce slug. You're going to get to see the devastation between each shot. You're going to get to see how our shooter Gordon takes each shot. Lock and load, and rock and roll. Gordon, what did you think?
Well, I have to say I was a little surprised by the that slug.
Yeah?
It gave me a lot more than I thought. Even with this pad on, man, I had a lot more kick to it than I thought, but not too bad.
Well, the devastation off the milk jug is ridiculous. Like, I am very surprised that thing is actually even still sitting in the same spot. The birdshot, however, took the 20 ounce water bottle and flung it a lot further than I thought it was going to too. Gordon has to practice when shooting buckshot because I think he completely missed the target. By the way, CMO 20, Gordon, get out and shoot as often as you can. It's a great tool for family interaction. Teach your kids about gun safety at a young age, and keep watching. More to come. Y'all have a nice day. Hey Gordon! You alright? Everything cool?
Yeah, man, I'm good.
You feel better? The hell is that all about?